Thanks to Habib for this challenge. So we're looking at the track events at the prep school. So we've got our students listed here. So we've got their IDs and so on and so forth. We've got information about the times of the events that they're running in. So we can see those listed here. So we just want to first of all join these two data sets together using the ID that we have. So creating a join step there and doing ID equal to ID. I've just got rid of the ID that came from the orange step here, so that's why this part of the configuration is blank at the moment, just because I went ahead and removed that ID-1. But if I click back one step in the changes pane, then I can see that I've got ID equals ID there still, and that reappears. But I just knew that we didn't need those two fields containing the same information. Then we've also got the benchmarks. So for each event, for each gender, for each age, we have a particular benchmark associated with that. And we basically are looking for any student who is under this time in their running. So we're going to join this to the other data set. And in order for those benchmarks to line up appropriately, we need to make sure we're joining on the gender, the age, and the event. So not just one of these or two of these things. We need to make sure it joins to all of them. So if I, for example, were only to join on gender, you can see how we get a lot more results. So we'd get the benchmark associated with all the ages and all of the events as well if we don't include them. So I can go ahead and put the age back in and then put back in the event equal to the event, and that means that we get those 300 rows only coming through. So that's what we want. So that's the thing that we're looking to do there. Then we're going to filter our data. So we just want the students left who are under the benchmark time. So just using the filter to do time less than or equal to the benchmark. And then we've found out there's some errors. So some of the 200-meter events are less than 25 seconds, and that's actually an error. So we want to flag these. So we could do this all in a filter step, but I thought I'd separate it out as a calculated field saying if the event is 200 meters and the time is less than 25 seconds, then that's an error. So that we can then go ahead and click on these errors and say exclude. So we get rid of these rows in the data. So we filter those out and we remove that error flag field so that we're just left with these 31 rows. And then the only thing left to do now is to rank them. So finding our time, we go to here, we create a calculator field, we create a rank, and we make sure that we're grouping it by each event. And you can see that what we want to do is we want to make sure that these are sorted from lowest to highest. So the lowest time gets the lowest ranking. So our top time is 14 seconds and 14.31 seconds for the 100 meters event. And we can see we actually have 2 students on that. So then the next one goes to 3 for the 100 meters event. And we just rename that to be the rank. And that's what I have here. So now we're ready to output that data. So hopefully that was a fun challenge. Thanks very much for that again, Habib, and thanks very much to you for watching.